Are you tired of feeling like just another data point for big tech? That feeling of being watched, tracked, and profiled every time you go online? Well, what if I told you there's a way to break free? A way to take back control of your digital life without sacrificing convenience. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Your searches are anonymous, so you get unbiased results, not a filtered bubble based on what algorithms think you want to see. Another fantastic option is Brave Search. It's built by the same team behind the Brave browser and offers its own independent search index, which is a huge step away from relying on Google or Bing's results. It also has a feature called Goggles that lets you create clean, modern, and easy to use, so you won't feel like you're sacrificing usability for security. Another great option is Tutanota, based in Germany. It also offers full encryption for your emails, calendar, and contacts, providing a complete, secure productivity suite. Google these apps and tracking services. Graphene OS is considered the most secure mobile OS on the planet. It's a hardened version of Android that puts privacy and security above all else. Calyx OS is another fantastic option that's a bit more user-friendly for beginners. It comes with a suite of privacy-respecting apps pre-installed and makes it easy to get started. By shifting some of your spending. Before you click Buy Now, check if you can purchase directly from the brand's own website. willing to choose the alternatives that provide it. This is your digital life. It's time to take control. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing for more tips on navigating the digital world. Let me know in the comments which alternative you're most excited to try. See you in the next one.